Time Research Media Private Limited setting up an award, the Indian Education Excellence Award 2012. The award recognizes the professional contribution and academic achievements of an individual, organization in the area of education. Our idea is to establish the award of recognition of a significant contribution to institution building process as illustrations, career, a role model management, academic building process as illustrations, career, a role model management, academic who is well reputed among the community of students, researchers, faculty and practitioners. Now, would like to introduce you all to our honorable chief guest of the evening, Mr. Chetan Bhagat. Can we please have a round of applause for him? Our honorable chief guest of the evening, I repeat, Mr. Chetan Bhagat. Yes, we all know about him. Let me give a small introduction about him. Here we go. Chetan Bhagat is an Indian author, columnist and a speaker. The author of 5 best-selling novels. Can we please again have a round of applause for this? First is 5 Point Summon, One Night at the Call Center, The 3 Mistakes of My Life, and 2 States, which was in 2009. And I always read all the novels. Revolution 2020, Love, Corruption, Ambition. All 5 books have remained the best sellers since their release, and 2 have inspired Bollywood films, including the hit films that we all know is 3 Idiots. Can we again have a round of applause for that? My audience, come on, you have to be with me, come on! And in 2008, the New York Times called Bhagat the biggest selling English language novelist in Indian history. Time magazine named him as one of the 100 most influential people in the world. Can we again have a round of applause for that? So now, I would request Mr. Chetan Bhagat to please come on stage. Can we please have a round of applause for him?
Good evening, everybody, and thank you for waiting. I brought the rains with me, I think, the hot weather, but which is nice for tomorrow morning, but I think today many of you got some, how many of you got bad traffic and bad weather? Everybody. So I can make that excuse, but I got it also not only in the, on the road, but also on the flight. I really thought this is it. And you will have a different kind of announcement here. कि चेतन जी आज आ नहीं पाए क्योंकि उनका हवाई जहाज कहीं और ही चला गया. Because it was really rough weather and I actually saw lightning now and all that. But I'm so happy to make it here. And first time I'm seeing 5-star hotel in Rohini, which is also quite interesting. In fact, for Rohini, as I remember when Rohini, I'm a Delhi boy. Many of you may know. I grew up in Narayana. And Rohini is there in my first book, 5 Point Summon. The poor boy in 3 Idiots. He was actually staying in Rohini. When Rohini was being made, people who would not get a flat anywhere in Delhi used to take it in Rohini. But today I see Rohini and it's like so happening, and Crown Plaza and all those things. And so I'm happy that I came and saw this. But all of you, thank you for being here. I'm very big supporter of people who work in education. I think it's not easy given the challenges of the country, given the kind of, I feel the government policies are not very helpful sometimes, and I've written many books and many of them have covered the education system. Revolution 2020. How many of you read Revolution 2020? Yeah, some of you have read, and it's on private education. And 5 Point Summon, of course, on the government IITs and all that. So it's easy for us to comment in columns and all. हमारे लिए बहुत आसान है कहना कि ऐसे होना चाहिए, ऐसे होना चाहिए, एजुकेशन ऐसे होना चाहिए. It's very easy even for ministers to say that we will educate everybody, we will do this, we will change the country. But actually करने वाले आप लोग हैं, because really things are bad right now. As you know, the economy is slowing down, businesses are slowing down, and it's going to lead to job problems in the next few years. And for you and all of us, some tough times are coming, and many of you may already know this. And those tough times will require that you tell your students to polish themselves as much as they can. अपना अच्छा टैलेंट अपने जितना भी वो बेस्ट प्रिपेयर कर सकते हैं जॉब वर्ल्ड को फेस करने के लिए अच्छा है. बिकॉज हमारे देश में इकोनॉमी पे ध्यान कम दिया जाता है, कार्टून्स वगैरह पे ध्यान ज़्यादा दिया जाता है. जिस दिन रुपी हमारा 20-30% गिर गया है, इन्फ्लेशन रिकॉर्ड हाई है, इंडस्ट्रियल प्रोडक्शन नेगेटिव हो रही है, लेकिन पार्लियामेंट में कार्टून डिस्कस होते हैं. तो ऑब्वियसली इसका हमें भुगतान करना पड़ेगा. और हमारा देश अगले 4-5 सालों में काफ़ी टफ टाइम मेरा रीडिंग ये गेट करेगा. The only way to survive will be for our young generation will be good education. And वो जब तक बच्चों को अच्छी पढ़ाई नहीं मिलेगी, वो लोग they cannot come up in life. So you are not just doing a job, you're not just doing a business, you're doing something very important for the future of this country. And please realize that the burden is on you because the policy makers are not doing enough. And today that you've come here, I congratulate you, and of course I'll be meeting you. But just that's all I wanted to say. And keep improving the quality, keep improving the quantity also. But without quality, I always believe if it's not quality education, then it's not education, right? Because quality के बिना उसके बच्चे को बाद में प्रॉब्लम नहीं आती. So now for those of you who are already big, focus solely on quality. For those who want to be big, become big, but don't forget quality. That is what is missing in the country in every area. But in education, it's crucial. So this is the only message I have for you. And now we can begin. Thank you.
Best Learning Center Study for Management and Technical in North India. And the award goes to Microtech College of Management and Technology. For this, I would like to call upon Mr. Pankaj Rajhans, the Executive Director. Come on, I don't have to repeat it. You have to.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much.